Unlocking Ancient Healing Secrets, the ultimate guide to Panchakarma. Panchakarma is a traditional Ayurvedic detoxification and rejuvenation therapy that involves 5 cleansing procedures aimed at eliminating toxins from the body and restoring balance to the doshas. Panchakarma means 5 karma in Ayurveda. Vamana, typically used to treat Kapha dosha disorders. Virechana, mainly used to alleviate Pitta dosha imbalances, including liver disorders, digestive issues like acidity, and any skin conditions like acne and rashes. Basti is primarily employed to pacify Vata dosha disorders such as constipation, joint pain, and certain gynecological issues like menstrual irregularities. Nasya are beneficial for clearing kapha from the head and neck region, addressing issues like sinus congestion, headaches, allergies. Nasya helps improve blood circulation to the head and scalp, which can enhance nutrient delivery to hair follicles, promoting healthy hair growth. Raktamokshana, this therapy is used particularly when there are blood-related disorders, skin diseases, or inflammatory conditions. These therapies are chosen based on the individual's constitution, prakriti, and the nature of the imbalance, vikriti, to restore harmony and well-being. Revitalize your hair and skin with Ayurvedic expertise. Secure your spot at Dr. Smita Jadhav's clinic where tradition meets modern wellness. Book your appointment today.